Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood. Today we are going to introduce a new series of lectures, vocabulary building. This series of lectures will not only enhance your vocabulary, but also it will improve your writing as well as speaking if you are careful in learning these words and you make notes of these words. These are the very common words and very commonly misunderstood words. So, if you understand these words, you start understanding and try it. Give it a try in your speaking and writing. Then you will be able not only to improve your writing as well as speaking greatly. It can be beneficial for you if you pay a little bit attention to words, the nuances of the words. Let's start and have a first look at these two words, a lot and a lot. Please be very careful while listening the word. The listening and speaking of the word make all the difference in understanding. If you pronounce some word as it is, if you pronounce the word as it is, or if you pronounce it wrongly, it can create a confusion. Like this is a word a lot, two words. This is a word, a single word, a lot, a single syllable word. These are two syllables, a lot. So a lot mean these are two words meaning much. A lot means much. A lot of people came to watch the opening ceremony. Means many people, much people are there. A lot. Pronounce it without any space. Single syllable. Pronounce it in single syllable. Means to give, especially a share of something available. Do you finish the essay in the allotted time? Allotted time. The government allotted him a precious land for his services. So, this is the difference. Mark the difference and try to use it in your sentences and in your speaking. Then you will be able to keep these words in your memory if you use them during your talking, during your speaking, and during your while you are writing. Now, a while and a while. A very confusing word, very common words, but these are very confusing. If you speak it wrongly, you may confuse your listener. Two words, a while. These are two words meaning a short period of time. I will meet you in a while. I will meet you after a short break or after a short period of time. It's a single word, a while, meaning short while. I read a while means I read the book for some time and then slept. Stay a while and rest. Stay here for a short or brief interval of time, for a brief period of time, and then take rest. So, this is the difference between a while and a while. Now, A and D, very confusing words. A is used with nouns beginning with consonants or giving consonant sounds. We often get confused while using A. It is very clear that we use it consonants. There are five vowels A, E, I, O, U. Except these five vowels, we use a with countable nouns, means nouns which can be counted. One, two, three, a pencil, a tree, a university. Now, this U is a, as I said, vowel. This U is a vowel. Why we are using a? Because this U is not giving a voice of U. It is giving a voice of Y. University, union, union. So it will be taken as consonant, not a vowel, as it is a consonant giving a consonant sound. So we will use a with university and union. An is used with nouns beginning with vowels or giving vowel sound. An apple, A is a vowel. Honest, H is not a vowel, it is a consonant. But H here is silent. O is has been pronounced here. Honest man, honest man. And SDO, S is a consonant. Why we are using it and with it? Because S here is giving a sound of E. S. E is a vowel, so we are using and with SDO. So A is used with consonant or the letter giving the consonant sound. And is used with nouns beginning with vowels A, E, I, O, U or the letters giving vowel sounds. Like I have given example. Now, and is a conjunction used between nouns in a list and is used as a conjunction. And when there is a list, he bought blankets and winter stuff for the kids. He bought a pen, a pencil, and a notebook for writing. This is these are the few words with which I have explained here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be here with more words, more commonly used but commonly confused word with you. Thank you very much for watching.